Hello, I'm Chrissy McGuire, President and CEO of Mount Desert Island Hospital, Health Centers, and Birch Bay Retirement Village. It is my pleasure to be introducing to you the employees who have worked at this organization for over 20 years, demonstrating and representing our values each and every day to strengthen the health of our communities and to ensure vibrant, healthy outcomes for our patients, our residents, and supporting our team members. Congratulations to each and every one of you, and thank you for serving our mission.
I have the privilege of recognizing Abby Damon for 20 years of service to the MDI Hospital organization and our community. On a personal note, Abby is a licensed massage therapist, an actress who participates in her local community theater with her daughter Hallie, as well as a gifted artist. Abby's work is inspirational as well as beautiful. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. Abby is a no-nonsense, has a can-do attitude, work while remaining thoughtful amongst her patients and her co-workers. Abby supports her team by offering great ideas and suggestions to improve upon patient workflow as well as patient care. Abby supports her organization by volunteering her time at the Halloween tables as well as her talents in her crafts. Abby has kindly made personal pins for the staff in remembrance of a beloved team member who had passed. We still wear these to date. Abby is talented in her personal life and her professional life. I feel fortunate and blessed to have Abby on the Cooper Gilmore Health Center team, and we look forward to Abby continuing on her team, hopefully for another 20 years at least. Thank you, Abby, for your service and dedication to MDI Hospital and our community.
Congratulations to Carrie Jordan on reaching 20 years here at MDI Hospital. I think she started on med-surg and came to ASU in surgical services in 2017, so she's been with us for over 7 years. We're just truly blessed to have her because she's such a positive influence. She's always cheerful, smiling, happy. She just has this calm demeanor with her patients. And she just reassures them, and she's just very flexible. She helps out wherever we need her to, and we really are very happy to have her with us on our team. And so congratulations, Carrie.
Hi, so I thank you for letting us have this opportunity to express our appreciation and our thanks to Kathy Mitchell. I'm Charlotte Winger, the Director of Patient Care Services. I've been here with in this position for the last 2 years.
And I'm Scott Straub. I'm the Inpatient Services Manager. I've been in this role about 3 months with the organization one way or another for about 1.5 years.
Yeah, so our experience with Kathy, she's a hoot. If you want to know something straight, you can ask Kathy. She's a great patient advocate, and I would say you probably had a lot of interaction with Kathy as supervisor and nurse manager.
Yep, a lot. So I came on nights, and Kathy is a CNA up there on med-surg, and she always had a big smile on her face and out there working hard. It's hard to keep with her. She's always on the move, and she's great for morale. She's great with the patients, always helping out her teammates. And whenever I would round through as supervisor, she'd be there for a good laugh with me, and just always a pleasant interaction when it came to her.
It's hard to believe 20 years has gone by. Kathy, we've always appreciated your honesty, your good patient care, and your advocacy for your colleagues. We are so grateful to have you here, and we so appreciate you.
Hi, I'm Doug Springer. I'm the Director of Physical Plant Services for MDI Hospital, and I'm here today to talk about Chris Kearney. Chris is celebrating 25 years of service at MDI Hospital. He started here as an engineer mechanic in August of 1998. Chris's dedication to his craft and the pursuit of knowledge has allowed him to progress to Engineer Mechanic Level 2, where his expertise is instrumental in maintaining our operating room equipment and sterilization. Over the years, Chris was the leading force behind several OR upgrades and renovations, but more importantly, his dedication has allowed for consistent, uninterrupted operations over the past 2 decades. Chris is the resident expert on our sterilizers, and it will be a significant challenge to replace his many years of knowledge and experience as we move forward to the next OR renovation. Along with the OR, Chris has supported the organization through every survey and inspection and has been instrumental in the maintenance of our operating plant for over 25 years. It is bittersweet that we also take a moment to wish Chris the best in his upcoming retirement. It is very well deserved. He will be retiring in June of this year, and from all of us at the MDI Hospital organization, I say you will be missed. Congratulations and thank you for your 25 years of service and all the best in your retirement. Hi, my name is Doug Springer. I'm the Director of Physical Plant Services, and I'm here today to talk about Scott Malone, who is celebrating 25 years of service. Scott started working at MDI Hospital back in August of 1998 as an engineering mechanic. He was promoted shortly thereafter to the engineering supervisor in 2001, where he's remained ever since. Scott has spent the last 2 decades maintaining this very eclectic and challenging facility. He was instrumental in MDI Hospital obtaining its critical access hospital license and has been a critical player in every survey and inspection ever since. He was the driving force behind our hospital changing our fuel consumption from number 5 to number 2. He is constantly pushed to maintain better than industry standards for efficiency on an operating plant that is well past its expected lifespan. In short, the building's heat, hot water, and electricity are such a reliable source for our patients. It's because of Scott's diligence, competency, and dedication. It's been an honor working with you, Scott, all these years, and we all owe you a great deal of gratitude for your exceptional dedication to the MDIH organization. From all of us, congratulations and thank you on 25 years of service.
Hello, I want to recognize Linda Crowell. She has been with us as a nurse practitioner as part of our Lisa Stewart Women's Health Center for the past 30 years. I appreciate Linda's dedication to her patients, to the community, and our organization. Linda has been a big advocate for her patients and women's health in our community, and certainly appreciate the last 30 years of your dedication and really look forward to many more. It's been a pleasure working with you, and I hope to work with you for many more years to come. Thank you.
Thank you for letting us have this chance to speak to Sherry Hall and how many great years she's had with MDI Hospital, 30 years to be exact. I am Charlotte Winger. I'm the Director of Patient Care Services, and I've been here with MDI on and off since my early 20s, and I'm not going to tell you how many tenure of years that is. But I've been in this position for the last 2 years as the director, and my experience with Sherry Hall goes way back to the days that I was a monitor tech in ICU and she was the telemetry nurse in the second to ICU backup. Sherry has always been so compassionate about nursing and the patients and advocating. She was fierce on a lot of her topics and her passions. And when I think of Sherry Hall, I think of a nurse that will stand up and do what needs to be done for her colleagues and for her patients. I don't know what else I could say about Sherry other than I'm so appreciative to have known her, to learn from her, and to be able to work as her director as she still advocates for those diabetic patients. She's worked in many departments, and she's accelerated in all, and she leaves her touch on each person and department she works with.
My name is Tiffany Benner, and I am the nurse manager for the integrated care team. And I have been with the organization for a little over a year now. And my first interactions with Sherry is she actually oriented me when I took a position as a care manager. She is wonderful, as Charlotte said, at advocating for our patients. And so her orientation process for me was great. She was helpful with the education that she gave, but also really great example of how to speak up for her patients. And now in my leadership role, she is invaluable to our team. She's been at the organization for a great many years, and she knows a lot of history that comes into things, but also is forward thinking and is always thinking about what can we do better for our patients, for our community, and for our team. So she's a wonderful advocate, not only, like Charlotte said, for her patients, but also for her team and the community around her. Currently, her primary focus is diabetes education, and she's an immensely helpful resource for the community. Patients who are newly diagnosed and learning how to live with diabetes, or who are learning different management techniques to help have the most quality of life that they can with that disease. So we're super thankful that Sherry is on our team and that she continues to bring a positive attitude and a team approach to everything that she does, with patients being the absolute center of all of her work. So thanks for all of your service, and thanks for being awesome.
Sherry, we admire you and thank you for all you do. You have a special spot in our hearts.
We very much do. Thanks so much, Sherry.
Hey, Guy. Well, congratulations on making it 30 years at MDI Hospital. What an accomplishment. Boy, our patients in our community have really benefited from you being a part of our medical team. So thank you so much for your commitment and for your knowledge and for being such a great team member. It's been wonderful to work with you. Congratulations.
We are recognizing Deb Lanson for her 40 years of service with Mount Desert Island Hospital. Deb started with us in May of 1984, making $3 per hour, and has worked her way through many of the imaging modalities, mastering all as she progressed. She does make more than $3 an hour now. Professionally, Deb is licensed as a radiologic technologist and nuclear medicine technologist with the state, and nationally recognized by the American Registry of Radiologic Technologists as a certified mammographer. Married to her loving husband Marty, and has 2 children, Kyle and Emily, and a granddaughter, Olivia, who recently turned 2. Drawn to Acadia and where her daughter lives, Deb seasonally returns to MDI in the hospital season, taking time off from her teaching beach yoga in Florida. Thank you, Deb, for your 40 years of service with MDI.